Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to update and manage your WordPress theme. So that's the theme is your kind of your overall design of your website. And so we're going to show you a few things on that. So again, we've logged on, we're in our dashboard, and we're going to go down here to Appearance, and we're going to click on Themes. Okay, and it's going to show you here current themes. And so it's going to give you a description of what theme you have on there and options that you have for that. And then available themes, these are themes that you have installed but you aren't currently using, and so it gives a description of those. And so anyhow, if you are looking at just free themes, you haven't paid for what they call a premium theme, or a theme that you've got to pay for, and it's kind of better designed and has more features and stuff like that. Maybe you're just kind of playing around and you just kind of want to start off with a free theme. There's a good number of them out there, and they there's a few of them that are really good, and you might find one that really fits what you're looking for at that time. So how you can install themes. So you can go here. And it's kind of like the plugins. If you see that video, you can look at featured themes, and you can see the newest ones and then recently updated ones. Or you can search for them. Maybe you've got a certain thing you're looking for, or a certain author is really good and they've got some good free themes, and maybe you want to get one of theirs. Or you can do some filters. Say you kind of know the overall look that you're looking for. Maybe you want it to be, you want it to be pink, and you can have actually multiple colors. How many columns you want. You want just one column. Maybe you want a right sidebar. You got two columns. Whatever. You can pick which one. So we want a 2 columns. And we want the right sidebar. So that's your menu bar that's over on the right side. And if you want your width, you want a fixed width or flexible. If you don't really care, then you can leave those blanks. But say we want a fixed width, and then some features. Specific features that you want. Maybe you want custom colors or custom header. We're going to say custom header, and let's see. I think that's it for there. And if you have a subject, maybe you've got some specific holiday, photo, blogging, seasonal, you can do those. Or you can just leave them blank, and then you're going to find themes. And it's going to bring up some themes that fit your description. So you can just look through those. And they've got some nice looking ones, and so you figure out whichever one you want. They've got a description of what all it will do. You can do a preview, but if you find the one you want, you just do an install. Now, when you click install, it's not actually going to install it on your website. So if you already have something up and you don't want to change it at that point, that's fine. Say we like this one, looks good, we want to install it. It's going to come up here, and we're going to click install, and it's going to go through and see, it's going to download, unpack, install the theme, and then it'll say successful. And you'll notice here it says activate, so that means it hasn't been activated. We haven't done anything to our current website. We could do a preview if we want. Let's go back to themes just to prove my point on that. Now, see, current theme still is Thunder, but now you'll see you have an extra theme down here. And so if at some point you want to use that one, go ahead and activate it. I suggest if you especially with themes, if you've got your website up, but you're thinking, I just don't really like the look of it, and you want to possibly change the look of it. If you have your own hosting, you've got your own hosting account with Bluehost or Gator or whatever, hosting company, a lot of times what you can do, and you've got your own URL, and in this case, colonyroofingandexteriors.com, you can actually go ahead and create a sub website. So it's something like, it'll look like maybe www.test.colonyroofingandexteriors.com, and so you can actually create a whole new website there, and you can kind of use that as your test. It won't show up on your actual production website, but it's a good idea. You do something like that, and then you can install WordPress. You can install different themes. Maybe you want to play around with certain plugins or whatever. You can do that, and that's just a great way to be able to test and play with some things without it affecting your main website, especially if it's something where you've got people viewing your website 24/7 from different countries, whatever. You don't want any downtime, and so that's a good way to test things and be able to see things without it actually affecting what people see at that time. So anyhow, that's it for kind of managing your themes of your WordPress website.